Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post-MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingtip bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum. Skul keberan hapua ke jeli jangka West Giant Hills District ke leshim benta ha ke summer camp ke balong naduk ke santrik haduk ke atrik ujeliu arajar pusau lo ki phang per ke bajim toy ki Khynnah. Hagani ke summer camp ke news ngilinter Kino Hikai kidan kebenta bakrau ben kering gejing perkhat perdan. Jong Khynnah Skul daga pen sngot ho bikin long ginong shong niki pateng jong ni juk bakin tip ban buram ba ban khen ko gejing kerku jong mai Mariang habro kiliang. Kimat ba per bel ajing pensha shi Khynnah Skul kilong halo kapang adopt healthy lifestyle, adopt sustainable food system, reduce e-waste, reduce waste, save energy, save water, but say no to single use of plastic. Ban penjana shu ikurukom terekam hagi schooling baka thong jong ke Eco Club for Mission Life, ka office terekam jong State Project Director ka SEMAM-Ssa, ka batha ibro ke school bikin sedang no, yaki Eco Club ha ka bagi dikhot kin thop yaki Khynnah Skul kino Hikai bagi kibigi kipa.
Khai tia le de top pi breakfast pi praw ji chwa mi pi ulai skor to ukro half your breakfast. Debne take a lunch break yang pi kapan muje? Had architect. To kini ki bang breakfast, lunch, dinner. To ki homemade food. Now to say dong homemade food. Moi bang pi kini ki por ki bang restaurant, ki bang plastic, ki bang bonjai. Kini le jeli to ki por ki wo bang pi to iwo chutney yung hi wo de prepare the bay to pa le ni di piu para de he de kien to ite ki bang pi ha ka por ravaje ke lunch ka don mi ji jo ba mi ni kada chiteng that the afternoon tea ye piu di no tang ka dinner it should be homemade food ya to ba mi ki ba mi wo chutney yung mo jo yo bim nam ki bru em kan ni da Ang bedaman advance ke pertai. Tenten yo bor du chat ikrum ngi. Online. Do you be online ni bru ni bang? Yo deliver yung yo bang. Hado gi parents le emi ki wom yo por de yung man bo bon ki bon kredi. Tang as parents man ki kam ki be di pato. Ite to wi pun biang gi khoni. Wa kete ge lisin chisngi ke bam to man go ke bam u ngaman. Ki bam yung.
What is the meaning encourage physical fitness? Encourage physical fitness means we ourselves, we have to remember to do our exercise. Nowadays, I think most of you never do exercise, right? Tang em you exercise kan ni? Hai tiak desni, bem dia benar exercise there. Most of you already lazy to do exercise. So please remember, without exercise, our mind also, it will be lazy. Let them eat and millenni can make your own exercise. Eating much in for cut your eat it, but near it.